Hey guys, once again, welcome to the Adonis studio, and this is your boy, Hema Adonis. We all know Davido have bought a private jet worth over $81 million. Davido bought this private jet just recently, and a lot of things have been going on the media space. Davido actually flaunted this private jet. This is not his first time getting a private jet, and he is not the first Nigerian artist to get a private jet. But this time around, it was $81 million, which is a lot of money. So a lot of people are speculating, and not only that, Davido celebrate his private jet last night. It was a massive celebration. I'm going to leave you to watch the video of Davido celebrating his private jet with all his friends and all his teammates. This is very massive, one in a million time. You know, a lot of artists have been getting private jet, we all know, but this one is actually massive. I'm going to say massive. But before that, Davido also bought some chains, diamond chains, that he's going to give to his team of work. It's very superb. This is one of the artists that I see that he likes giving a lot. He has a motto that we grow by lifting others, and I think every time that he wants to do something, he always work on this: we grow by lifting others. Hey guys, watch how the video celebrates his private jet. Well, I've seen how Davido celebrate his private jet like once in a million. This is one of the artists that did this in Nigeria. What do you think about Davido recent discovering of buying this private jet worth over $81 million? Whatever you think about it, let it be in the comment section. Thank you for watching Abdul's video. See you in my next video.